So graduation is over and I am walking to my car. You can see where I'm coming from and I am ready to get into my car and go home. It was kind of hot in there. I had to ask someone to sort of unzip my top, but I'm glad it's done and I'm so proud of the graduates. So let me go home now. Ciao, ciao, my loves.
Victor Ben, my producer.
Fashionista professor, man, you already know. She dey rock your designer, she dey do paso yipa. Got a Chistick fashion show, man, you already know. This time in a hot oh, now me there you so. Fashionista professor, my mind don't condense. This channel na hot oh, I'ma you get the vibes. Fashionista professor, original equal babe. Her dressing na fine now, be professor you know. Fashionista professor, Akira baby. Fashionista professor, show them shake it. Fashionista professor, Akira baby. Fashionista professor, show them shake it. Please subscribe, make sure you subscribe. Shout your guys, tell them to subscribe. Enjoy your life, make sure you hot cash. Free your mind, now flexing with tonight. My body, show me my share, my body, shake body, yo, dance like say no tomorrow. Fashionista professor, Akira baby. Fashionista professor, show them shake it. Fashionista professor,